ngisho njalo ukuthi bongashayela isikhathi sasengwadla. Oh nyalo those wasasengwadla kucala boyingwadla. Let's talk about that video. Because abantu abaningi bangibute kakhulu ngayo vele baba concern kakhulu ngayo bathi kusho kuthini lo sis mara kahle kahle.
But whatever that I'm posting, it's not based on what I'm going through or whatever.
Yeah.
Vele ngathi cabangela nje. Yabo.
I don't think. I think there's something like Tishi that was ukhuluma. I don't think ukuthi vele ukhuluma ukuthi bo joker.
Wena ukhulumela kuliphi side?
Ngikhulumela ukuthi bongashayile lesikhathi umuntu loyo. Nyalo so yashaya. That's what you mean.
Kumbe ungibutela ukuthi have I ever dated someone that has money?
Uyilo bayingwadla so ubhizi uthola imali na. Because ingwadla I think is a person ukuthi lo date different type of people, I don't know. Or date umuntu wemuntu angathi kumbe indoda yemuntu kumbe whatsoever. What's yini ingwadla ke sive ku?
Ingwadla uyafana nemuntu othengisa umphimba, just like ukuthi ingwadla.
Yeah.
Well known yabo ukuthi bangambuka noma nini.
Oh.
Ingwadla ngene.
Those ingwadla kahle kahle ngalama emagama ayisimuntu wemuntu. Umuntu webantu.
Yebo umuntu webantu.
Oh bukilo.
Well known ke ukuthi vele lo ya. Maybe ujola nebantu labanemali.
Hayi ukuthi like that person is uyathengisa kahle kahle ngalama emagama.
Yeah, ngingayibita njalo ukuthi umuntu usuka athengisa. Yabo mara lokunye uthi
so you once go through that life?
No.
Nje bushare nje.
Bengitisherela nje. That's why ngithi mina abantu bangabobuka ama post ambangijudge ukuthi maybe I'm going through that. No.
Yeah. Oh.
So ndikhulumela nje.
Ukhulumela nje
Yeah, because vele ngiyathanda ukukhuluma.
Umuntu okhuluma